Hey, boss man.
Hey, boss,
Hey, come here, bro. Bro, come here. What's going on? Hey, is there any weapons inside the house?
That I know of. There's no guns inside or anything like that. Okay, so what's going on?
I don't know. He works out of town, and he came in this morning, and I guess he was driving all night, and he's having problems at home, and he's got.
Who is related? How is
he's? I live next door. I live in the corner. This is my dad's house. They're in Mexico right now. He's my brother.
Oh, he's your brother. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I came over to check on him, and he just ever since this morning he's just been belligerent and just.
But he's not causing harm to anybody or anything like that. He's just acting up.
He broke their window. He keeps.
Do they call about that? Or
I don't know if they do.
You don't know if they do?
I told him. I called him. I called you guys for it again.
Okay.
He's already wanted to fight me again. We've never fought. He and I have never fought in our lives. I mean, I think he said
He's going through some stuff.
Yeah, he said he drank a whole bottle of vodka in like an hour or so.
Fuck that piece of shit. Come on, motherfucker.
You come here. You come here. Come on.
Come on.
You come here.
Bro, listen.
Fuck you.
No, we talking. Listen.
Fuck
Listen
you.
to me. You're acting like a kid right now, bro. He's bickering.
Because you fucking.
He's bickering and acting like an idiot. Okay, so come on here and talk to us as a man.
Take your shit off. Come on inside.
Why?
Take your shit off.
I'm not gonna take it off. Listen.
Oh, what? Because you feel like
Because
a
I'm
man
here
to
for
take
you.
it off? No,
Make sure
take
you're
it off.
alright.
Come
Look
inside.
at your hand.
Take it off. Come inside and we'll take it like a
Just
fucking.
come out here and talk to us, man.
No, you come inside, motherfucker.
You acting like a kid, bro.
Fuck you too.
You acting like
you
a kid,
think I
man.
would have ever fucking. Fuck you, fucking Nelson.
You did this. You did this.
Fuck you, man.
You did this.
Edgar, come here.
No, come on.
No,
You
Edgar.
motherfucker inside.
Bro,
Fuck
it does
you.
not have to go this way.
Fuck you.
It does not have to go this way, Edgar.
Take
You
your
come
shit
here.
off, come on inside.
You come here.
Come get me. Oh,
I'm telling you to come here.
why? Why?
Because I want to make sure you're not in danger to yourself.
You think I'm fucking stupid? I'm the smartest motherfucker. As soon as I step out, you got me. Come inside. Take your shit off. Come outside. We'll fucking take it out like a fucking man. Come on. You don't want to do that, right? Because you know you're going to get fucking fucked up. Come on.
Oh, I'm gonna get fucked up. Well, you come out here. How come you don't come out here?
Let that motherfucker come in. I will fuck his world.
Yeah. So why are you gonna pick on him for? Huh?
Tell him take his shit off. Come on and get me.
Why do you want him for, not me?
Well, then you take your shit
Bro,
off.
what's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you?
Come on.
Edgar, what is wrong with you, bro?
Take your shit off. Come on inside. Fuck that piece
Bro,
of
we're not trying to come here and cause violence,
I
man.
respect you, but that piece of shit right
Alright,
there.
so talk to my phone and that's it.
All right,
Fuck you.
Chill out, Edgar. I'm gonna come in, but we're not fighting.
That piece
We're
of
not
shit,
fighting. Chill
that
out.
piece of shit.
Chill out. Come here,
no.
Edgar. Edgar, come here.
Nah.
What's going on? Hey, no, Edgar, what are you doing? Edgar, what are you doing?
That piece of shit. I
Edgar.
will fuck his work. Nah, don't fucking move
Edgar,
that.
what are you
No,
doing?
do not move
Edgar,
that.
stop. Edgar, stop.
Really?
Stop, dude. What are you doing?
Fuck you.
Bro,
That
I'm
piece
trying
of
to talk.
shit.
I'm trying to talk to you.
You see that piece of shit right there?
Okay, so what are you talking
You
about,
see
man?
that piece of shit?
Bro, but I'm trying to talk to
Look
you.
around. Look
Edgar,
around,
chill.
motherfucker.
Chill, Edgar.
I
Chill.
will fucking go and grab the fucking Glock 17 right now and fucking shoot you in your fucking face. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, look at that motherfucker.
Hey, what's up? Fuck, man.
Hold on. He's bleeding. Shots fired. Nice, he's 33. Hands up, man. Just leave it like that. Leave it like that. Leave it like that.
Where you at?
I don't want to die. Come on.
It's 1933. He has multiple gunshot wounds.
Okay, you're close. You're the close one.
Hold on, I got it.
Shit, man.
I got it, bro. Chill out.
Really?
Stop, dude. What are you doing?
Fuck you.
Bro,
That piece of shit.
I'm trying to talk to you.
You see that piece of shit right there?
Okay, so what are you talking
You
about?
see that piece of shit?
Edgar, bro. Hey.
Look around, motherfucker.
Chill, Edgar.
I will fucking go and grab the fucking Glock 17 right now and fucking shoot you in your fucking
Okay, that's a threat. There you
Yeah,
go.
exactly. Yeah.
Come on.
That motherfucker.
Fuck, man. Hold on. He's bleeding.
Shots fired, sir. 1933. I need you on the score one. Hands up, man. Just leave it like that. Leave it like that.
Okay.
Leave it like that.
Where are you at?
I don't want to die. Come on.
It's 1933. He has multiple gunshot wounds.
Okay, you're close to unit code 1.
Hold on, I got it, bro. Chill out. Hey, my partner and I, we okay. Just hold on, bro. Hold on. Come on, man. Just chill out, bro. Chill out. Relax, man. Relax.
Oh, you saw?
Relax, bro. Where's the gun at? Where's the gun at? Hey, Edgar, man, just relax. We got medics coming, alright? We got medics. Where's the gun?
Have any officers here?
Four 13 rounds. 413 rounds, bro.
413 rounds.
Hey, keep him outside. Keep him outside.
Down at 413 Grove Street. No officers were here, so the type of suspect was shot.
Clear. Any outstanding?
No one outstanding.
Hey, you got gloves?
Yeah, I got gloves over the top.
Alright, yeah, I know. Hold on.
Anybody else, just send me a message.
Hey, stay with us, Edgar. Hey, man, stay with us. Hey, bud. Hey, stay with us. I'll stay here. Here, no. You have some? No, give me go.
Yes, somebody on the radio.
It looks like I have one gunshot wound in the chest.
Those officers over here, I think that you can close out that day.
So you got one gunshot wound.
Listen to the person how to set it back.
Chest wound, guys.
Hey, watch out.
One kid. One chest wound.
Move. More chest wounds, how much you need? Yes, got one for you right here.
So we got that chest wound on the
Make sure nobody's in here.
collarbone up here.
The house been cleared already?
Hey, did you clear the house?
Are
Yes.
you guys working clear the house?